Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to edit text inside an image using Canva. Yeah, whether you want to replace old text, clean it out, or add your own, this walkthrough will cover everything step by step. So let's get started. So first, open a new blank canvas in Canva, then head to the Uploads tab and bring in the image that has the text you want to edit. Just drag it onto the canvas once it's uploaded. Now, since Canva can't directly rewrite text that's baked into an image, we clean it first. Click the photo, open the Edit Photo panel, and scroll down to the Erase tool. Use the brush to erase the old text. Take your time, to keep the background smooth. If the text sits on a busy background, use the Magic Eraser tool instead. It automatically removes the text and blends the area pretty well. It's super handy for posters, banners, and screenshots. Sometimes the eraser leaves little rough patches. If that happens, add a simple shape or color block behind the area to make it look clean again. Lower the transparency a bit so the background blends naturally. Now you're ready to add your new text. Go to the Text tab, pick a heading style, and type whatever you need. Try matching the original font style if you want the edit to look realistic. Adjust size, weight, spacing, all that stuff. To make the new text blend in better, use the color picker to sample colors from the image. And if the original text had shadows or outlines, you can recreate those in the Effects panel. Little touches really help. They make it feel seamless. And when everything looks the way you want, click the Download button. Choose a high-quality PNG or JPG, depending on where you'll use the image. And yeah, your edited image is ready. So that's the full process of editing text inside an image using Canva. It's simple once you know the tools, and you can tweak it however you like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.